Quad hello and welcome back to Tech24. Today, we're diving into the world of men's skincare with the ELVY Lab Men's Skincare Kit. This 4-step anti-aging grooming kit is a game changer for any guy looking to elevate his skincare routine. Let's start with the Exfoliating Cleanser. This powerful formula gently exfoliates and rejuvenates the skin, eliminating dull skin cells, minimizing pores, and controlling oil for a fresh complexion. Next up, we have the Vitamin C Serum. Packed with vitamin C, niacinamide, and aloe vera, this serum is specially designed for men's skin care. It's the perfect rejuvenating treatment to revive your skin and give it a healthy, radiant glow. The Replenishing Moisturizer is a game changer for delivering deep hydration and nourishment to your skin. It focuses on dry patches and rough skin texture, leaving your skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Last, but not least, we have the Toning Eye Cream. This powerful treatment targets under eye bags, dark circles, and puffiness, giving you a refreshed and rejuvenated look. It contains caffeine and retinol, making it the ultimate weapon against tired and dull-looking eyes. Upgrade your grooming routine with the ELVY Lab Men's Skincare Kit and treat yourself to a touch of luxury. It's the perfect gift for any guy looking for simple yet effective skincare. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing skincare kit today. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more product reviews and tech news. Thanks for watching. Quat.